I couldn't press record fast enough. I'm gonna record. I just got Amazon knocking at my door. Yeah, my goodness. I don't know what's in here. All I know is it's for my birthday, and it's from Amy Shakur. But I don't know what's in here. And the reason I know it's from her is because she told me Amazon should be at your door at 9 o'clock. And let's see what time it is. Hang on one second. It is 7:21 p.m. They were early. I have no clue what's in here. I'm super excited. Oh, and I got tiles. For some reason, Home Depot said that they're discontinuing tiles. So I was only able to get one. One is different than the other. I don't know how that works. Anyways, we'll be working on those later. I'm excited. You shouldn't have, Amy. Really, really shouldn't have. She's the one that has given me gesso. What else? I think that's her texting me right now. Oh, she's given me clay. So I'm excited to see what's in here. But I do have to pop this because my room is so small that even just having these out will get in my way. I mean, I went from the front door straight to turn on the camera. The camera wouldn't turn on fast enough. Is there a note in here? Happy birthday, enjoy them. Your new with your new surface sprays, Amy. So the tiles that I got from Home Depot, the edges are so off. Let's see. You see? These are like, this is off compared to this side. Like, I'm assuming that this is like a tile for the end of a tub. Basically, I want tile that is kind of like for coasters. You see, there it's off. It's not the right kind of coaster tile. I'm so excited to see what's inside. Alright, which way's up, sir? This is a set. Do not separate. Okay. What is in here? What is in here? No clue. It's heavy. Look, what is in here? Oh, these are the right. I just slobbered. Oh my god, I slobbered. These are the right tiles. Oh my goodness, Amy. Thank you so much. These are the right tiles. Yes. See, this is wrong. This has like, this is the one my husband brought. This has like a curve and then straight. These are all straight. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let me clean up. Let me move all these boxes because I don't have no room to step around anywhere, and then we'll come back and we'll work on tiles. Oh my god. You know what? Maybe if I would have looked, yep, if I would have looked at the paper. Learning to craft with ceramic tiles. Rubbing alcohol. Paintbrush glue. Cool. Very nice. Thank you, Amy. We've got, oh my gosh, Gwen? Was it Gwen? Gwen. I think it was Gwen, right? Gail. Pop, which is Janet in the UK. And then my husband brought me those tiles. Sweet of him. I'm going to return them now because the tiles that he brought me just didn't work. Pop sent me the surface sprays. Amy sent me the tiles. Happy birthday! Alright. I'll catch you guys in a little bit. I wish I knew how long this video was. I really do. Let's see. No, we don't. But these are cool. How many did we get? Yes! 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That is awesome. Thank you so very much, Amy. I'm sending loads of love to you and your daughter and all the puppies. Okay, let me clean up my room and then we'll come back and we'll play with the sprays. See ya in a little bit.